This is Ramya Ranjit. Hope you are doing good. In competitive exam, have you ever faced any difficulties in answering seating arrangement questions? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. I will take you through some simple tricks so that you can easily answer the questions in few seconds. Before moving forward, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let us start. Question number 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a circular facing the center. F is third to the right of C and second to the left of H. D is not an immediate neighbor of C or H. E is on the immediate right of A, who is second to the right of G. This question was asked in SBI PO examination which was conducted in 2008. Let us start. As per the given statement, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a circular facing the center. So I can draw this type of arrow mark so that we can conclude all are facing center. According to the second condition, F is third to the right of C. I can place C here. So 1, 2, 3. F will be here. According to the third condition, F is sitting second to the left of H. So where should I place H? Here. Because F is sitting 1, 2. Second to the left of H. Right? According to the fourth condition, D is not a neighbor of C or H. So I can't place D here, here, here and here. So where I can place D? Here only. Okay. According to the fifth condition, E is immediate right of A. In this condition, we can say that A and E are immediate neighbors, or A and E are adjacent to each other, right? So we can give them two seats which are adjacent to each other. So I can place E here and A here, right? Then only we can say E is immediate right of A. We can't place A and E in any other places in this diagram. Okay. According to the last condition, A is second to the right of G. Here it is A. So in the same way, I can say that G is second to the left of A, right? So I can place G here. Remaining letter B, I can place B here. Okay. As we found all the alphabets places, we can start answering the questions. Who sits between G and D? Who is sitting? F is sitting. So answer is F. Option is C. Which of the following is the correct position of B with respect to H? B with respect to H. These are two ways. One is from left, one is from right. I can conclude that B is fourth to the left of H and B is fourth to the left of right of H. Okay. So both 2 and 3. So answer will be, option will be D. Who is second to the left of C? Second to the left. 1, 2. A. A is your answer. Which of the following pairs of person has first person sitting to the right of the second person? Let's see. C is first person, B is second person. According to the condition, C is right of B, right? Here it is, C is left of B. So this option is wrong. Option C, F is sitting to the right of G. Is it correct? No. Option D, H is sitting right of A. H is sitting right of A. No, it is not correct. D is sitting right of B. Yes, it is correct. So our option E. Who is on the immediate right of C? It is B. Our answer is B. Thank you for watching this video.